Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Cardano's wrapped BTC testnet launches as plus to network details. ADA BTC, a project that seeks to bring on-chain wrapped BTC to Cardano and Ergo, has announced that the Cardano testnet is now live. In January, ADA BTC released its public testnet for the Ergo blockchain. ADA BTC wants to bring Bitcoin liquidity into Cardano and Ergo to contribute to the anticipated DeFi explosion of these leading blockchains. Thus, the launch of the testnet, which allows the minting of CBTC, a BTC asset on Cardano similar to wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, on ETH, is seen as a plus for the Cardano blockchain. The testnet launch is also an important milestone for the launch of the ADA BTC mainnet protocol on Cardano. ADA BTC continues in its bid to build crucial infrastructure for the Cardano ecosystem, and a key part of its approach is writing smart contracts that send Bitcoin to a vault if a user wants to mint CBTC. Upon minting, users will be able to use CBTC as a Bitcoin-backed asset on Cardano. The ADA BTC protocol will see three phases: V1, V2, and V3. V1 is not decentralized and is governed by ADA BTC. V1 has a vault where BTC is sent, and the off-chain code programmatically verifies the BTC deposit transaction containing metadata with the user's address. The implementation of V3 will completely decentralize this version. 3 narratives to push next market run for ADA. Cardano-focused Twitter account ADA Whale believes 3 narratives might drive ADA's next bull market: DeFi, governance, and scaling. These narratives will likely drive ADA next bull market: DeFi, circa 2024, wow, Cardano is now a top 10 TVL chain, surprise, surprise, etc. Governance, circa 2024, biggest and most well-funded DAO ever. Headlines, scaling, see a 2024-25, Hydra integrated in dApps, Leo soon, ADA Whale tweeted. At the time of writing, ADA was down 2.28% in the last 24 hours at $0.391. Price prediction: Cardano price today is $0.396277 with a 24-hour trading volume of $530.18 million, market cap of $13.40 billion, and market dominance of 1.14%. The ADA price increased 3.87% in the last 24 hours. Cardano price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 23, 2023, at 2:13, the general Cardano price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 11 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 22 signaling bearish signals. ADA price prediction was last updated on April 23, 2023, at 2:13. Cardano key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.389777, Cardano has support levels of $0.373015, $0.363075, and the strongest at $0.346313. Similarly, Cardano resistance levels are at $0.399717, $0.416479, and $0.426420. Cardano reached its highest price on September 2, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.10, while Cardano's lowest price was recorded on October 1, 2017 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.017354. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.240191, cycle low. The highest ADA price since the last cycle low was $0.460896, cycle high. The Cardano price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Cardano's current circulating supply is 33.82 BADA out of max supply of 45.00 BADA. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 7.49%, meaning 2.36 BADA were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Cardano is currently ranked number 2 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked number 5 in the Layer 1 sector. Cardano is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 25 days, since March 28, 2023. The price of Cardano is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 25 days, since March 28, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 27 days ago, on March 26, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on March 28, 2023, which was 25 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Cardano's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0.360273 by May 22, 2023. Cardano's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.418715 by May 22, 2023. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 44.01, which indicates that the ADA market is in a neutral position. According to our current Cardano price prediction, the value of Cardano is predicted to drop by -3.89% and reach $0.380855 by April 27, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Cardano recorded 18/30ths, 60%, green days with 6.99% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Cardano forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Cardano. Comparing Cardano against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Cardano price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Cardano price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, ADA price prediction for year 2026 is $12.39 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Cardano would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.420815. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.